Hello my friends. I want to suggest an easy simple recipe. Do you know how to make delicious yeast dough? We can do it together today. In the description, I have listed all the ingredients for the yeast dough. I make this dough and use live yeast for my bread. The process consists of 3 steps. First step. First you need to activate the yeast. Pour in warm water, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, yeast and mix all the ingredients. Then feed the yeast their favorite food, flour. Take it quite a bit, about 100 grams. Yeast also loves comfort and warmth. They should be offered a comfortable temperature, about 37 to 40 degrees Celsius. In such a temperature environment, they will quickly revive. You will see for yourself. Step 2. Now you can make the yeast work. But not yet in full force. Add vegetable oil, milk or yogurt, salt and flour. Cook the dough a little thin. The yeast is not very strong yet. I also like to add fiber from greens to the dough. I have parsley today. Place the dough in the heat again. I am using an electric oven. I heat it up a little and then put the dough there. Step 3. The yeast is already very strong, now they are ready to make a wonderful soft and elastic dough out of flour. Let's add the rest of the flour and let them run again. The yeast dough is ready. I will make delicious fresh cheese bread and aromatic cheese buns out of it. You will find links to these recipes in the description under the video. If you still like us so that we know and we teach you a recipe explaining how you can make it. See you later.